Let's start with conventional use of the summarize function, and that is to copy and paste a block of text into a Google Sheet and then summarize that text. Here's the New York Times article, or the New York Times column by David Brooks, that I want to copy and paste into my Google Sheet. And the problem is that most web pages are really not designed to be copied and pasted into another document. There's just too much formatting on the web page, and you're going to copy and paste a lot of text you really don't need. So my solution is to right-click on the text in the web page, left-click on Print, and now I've got the column in the print screen, and there's a lot less formatting than there is on the web page. So I'm going to press Command A on my Mac keyboard to select the text. That would be Control A on a PC. And then I'm going to press Command C to copy. That would be Control C on a PC. Now I can cancel this print screen. Now I'll go back to my Google Sheet. I'll click in the cell where I want to paste the column and press Command V to paste, Control V on a PC. And it's all on one row, and I want to wrap it into one cell. So I select this very first cell, go up to text wrapping and choose wrap. And now I've got the entire column in one cell. And it's very hard to read, obviously, because it's just a big block of text. There aren't any paragraph breaks, but I don't need to read it because GPT is going to read it and summarize it for me.